When your Defender water heater starts leaking, quick identification and proper response are crucial to prevent water damage and safety hazards. Before attempting any repairs, safety must be your top priority. First, turn off the water supply to prevent further flooding. Next, shut off the power source, whether it's gas or electric. Finally, allow the water to cool completely to avoid scalding injuries. Now let's identify where leaks commonly occur. Top leaks often involve loose pipe connections at the cold water inlet or hot water outlet. Bottom leaks typically indicate drain valve problems or tank cracks. Side leaks usually point to a faulty temperature and pressure relief valve. For quick repairs, start by tightening any loose connections you find using a wrench. If the temperature and pressure relief valve or drain valve is corroded or leaking, you'll need to replace it after draining the tank. For small tank cracks, epoxy can offer a temporary fix, but tank replacement is generally recommended for a permanent solution. If your home's water pressure exceeds 80 psi, consider installing a pressure-reducing valve set between 50 and 60 psi to prevent future issues. Call a professional plumber if you're uncomfortable working with gas or electrical connections, if the leak is severe or you can't locate the source, if you suspect tank damage, or if your water heater is over 10 years old with frequent problems. Prevention is the key to extending your Defender water heater's life and avoiding costly repairs. Regular maintenance can prevent most leaks before they start. Schedule annual or biannual maintenance with a qualified plumber. Regular professional inspections can catch problems early and extend your water heater's lifespan significantly. Flush your tank annually to remove sediment buildup. Mineral deposits accumulate at the bottom of the tank, causing overheating, corrosion, and reduced efficiency. Inspect the anode rod every few years and replace it if corroded. This sacrificial rod protects your tank from corrosion by attracting corrosive elements in the water. Additional prevention measures include setting your thermostat to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, insulating the tank and pipes, installing a drain pan, and regularly checking all connections for wear. Water heaters typically last 8 to 12 years for gas units or 10 to 15 years for electric units. Consider replacement if you notice rust in the water, inconsistent hot water, or strange noises from the tank. For advanced protection, consider installing a leak detection system that monitors for hidden leaks and automatically shuts off the water supply. These systems provide mobile alerts, and many insurance companies offer discounts for installation. Remember, consistent maintenance and prevention are far more cost-effective than emergency repairs. Following these guidelines will help ensure your Defender water heater provides reliable service for years to come.